Hi, I'm Carol Ruth Weber of Weber Life Design. Today we're going to talk about making your dorm room pretty. And of course, everyone wants a pretty dorm room. Even guys want a pretty dorm room. The first thing to do with a dorm room is you want to discuss with your roommate different possibilities, and of course you want to coordinate. Bedding is very important. So when you're starting to pick your bedding, talk to your roommate about colors. You don't have to pick the same bedding, just coordinate with each other what bedding you both prefer. And the dorm room will turn out really beautiful. Then you want to dress the windows. Now this is a challenge because we can't mar the walls. So you could use a tension rod to easily put inside the window frame if you have a window frame. Or you can use Command products, which you could use a hook from Command, a decorative hook, and these come 5-pound, 3-pound in different finishes, and they look beautiful. You hang one on either side on the top of the window, and then hang a beautiful drape or sheer with a decorative curtain rod, and you have a beautiful window. Another option is to just use your imagination. Now these are Command fridge clips, but they work great with dollar store bandanas. And you just easily make a valance using the fridge clips and fasten them to the top of the window, and you have a do-it-yourself valance. So using imagination, you can come up with some very creative ways to make your dorm room pretty. Another great way is to use Command hooks and hang up your jewelry and use that as wall art. You can also hang up pocketbooks and hats, and this becomes wall art. There's so many different things you can do. Bulletin boards, fabric bulletin boards are perfect to hang up on your walls, and they serve a purpose because you need a place to keep notes and pictures and reminders, and these are great to hang up on your walls as well. Then you want to add some accents. Maybe you want to add an area rug to the floor to cover up some ugly carpeting that is in your dorm room. You can add storage ottomans, which also can double as a place to store files. You can add throw pillows for comfort. You can add big floor pillows or bean bags so when friends come over, you have a place to invite them over to sit at. If you have enough space, or if you have a loft bed in your dorm room, you can even have a futon. So there's plenty of places to decorate and plenty of things to use to decorate to make your dorm room pretty. So have fun making your dorm room pretty. Enjoy your year at college, and don't forget to study, and never be afraid to dance.